In front of me is Google Pixel 6a, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. You need to begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you don't see it, don't worry, just click on this gear one. Select voice typing and use this switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. Additionally, you can check out and manage all of those other options and even learn more about them. Just tap here. Either way, with microphone on, click on it, tap on while using the app and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or use the same microphone. But now my favorite part. Tap on your microphone and select tiny blue icon that will appear right next to it. This one. Hit next, select done and enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. To delete text on the go, use this button with an X. To move your toolbar, hold it, drag it and place it wherever you want to. If you want to manage some available options, use those three lines on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, use keyboard icon next to three lines. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!